this is the first time I have heard a very full range of broad light introduction. And thank you, Daisy, for today's education. And we're welcoming our next factory. Our next factory is from Zhongshan Junsheng Lighting. Zhongshan Junsheng Lighting Company. Hello. Hi, Jun
Hello,
Sheng.
Jane.
Hi,
Hello, Jane.
Jane. Hi,
Hi.
you're Jane again.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Jane. It's like saying hello to myself. To Jane.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you a long time. Yeah.
Actually, I remember you this morning, right? Thank you for your patience and thank you for your participation. Oh,
Okay.
I really love you. You have patience.
I love you too.
And passion.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
What a pretty lady
now...
here. Yeah.
The same to you. Yeah, you seem so pretty. Yeah, we are same.
We are the same. Thank you. Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Jane. Would you like?
Hi.
Yeah. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company, like in 10 or 15 minutes, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's start. Okay, my name is Jane from Jessy International. Our factory name is Junsheng Lighting Zhongshan Limited. Our local is in Zhongshan. Yeah. We produce the table lamp and the desk lamp, and the camping light and the cosmetic mirror. Yeah.
Oh, desk lamp. Yeah.
Yeah, desk lamp and the floor lamp and the cosmetic mirror and the camping light. Now I'm standing in our showroom. Yes, here is our showroom. Yeah, we have lots of desk lamp and the floor lamp, and we develop it by ourselves.
Oh,
yes,
self-designed.
Yeah, self-design. And here is our paintings. Here.
Oh, patents.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, patents.
Yeah.
And yeah, we design it and we design it by ourselves, and we followed up Philips standard in lighting market. Yeah. And we cooperation with much more famous brand such as Philips and Osram and and Salmon. Yeah. And our products selling into to Europe and China mainland. Yeah.
China mainland. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you show one of your product? One of your most best seller?
Best seller. Okay. We have some new model. Yeah, we have some new model. Yes, we will show you. Yes. This is our new model and table desk lamp, and we have step dimmer switch and the wireless charger, and the material is aluminum and the metal. Yes, aluminum and metal, and the wireless charger, and it can be turn around. Yeah, and also we have the cosmetic mirror, and it's suitable for ladies.
Makeup.
Yes, makeup. Correct.
Just want to ask you about that.
Yes, like this one.
Like
this one. Yeah, we will. Ladies need the makeup.
Yeah.
And lipstick. Yeah. And this one we can for the table. Yeah. Yes, it can be.
Oh. Can be
take away
my hand. Yeah.
Yes, and it can be.
Hang up by a mirror.
By mirror. Yes. And it can be change CCT color.
Yeah.
And 4-step dimmer switch. Yes. And we will update this version, and there will be to do wireless charger here. And when the ladies need makeup and telephone need to charge, so it can be put up this space. And yes,
I get you what
makeup.
You mean. Yeah, charger, the quick charger,
Yes.
wireless one.
Yes, charger. Yeah. Yes. And also we have some candy light. We cooperate with much more brand to do the candy light. And this one. Can be like this one. Yeah. PIR sensor. PIR sensor.
PIR sensor. What is the functioning?
Yes. Yes. When we switch it on auto.
Oh, it can control the light.
Just wait for a moment. Sorry. They need to be wait for a moment. Sorry.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. And we still did the floor lamp. Here, this one. Our best seller.
Yeah.
Floor lamp.
Floor lamp.
Yeah. Floor lamp. Yeah.
Oh, this is a floor lamp. So
yes, floor lamp. It's a 4-step dimmer switch. Yeah. And if the children playing panel needs a floor lamp. Yeah. Yes. This
I see
one.
wild application scenarios with this lamp. Yeah.
Yes.
It's quite a home activity. Yeah.
Yes. And also we cooperated with Philips. Did the battery inside.
Battery inside.
Yeah, battery inside.
Wireless charger.
3,000. Yes, wireless charger and battery inside. It can be portable. Yeah.
That's convenient. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very convenient for the children and the students in campus. Yes. And we did much more the camping light, different version and different size and different battery. Yes. Yeah.
You have designed a lot. And I'm interested in your makeup.
Yes, makeup. We like it. We like it to make up.
Yeah, me too.
It's very convenient, and ladies love it. Yeah, it's very convenient.
We know the magic of a mirror.
Yes,
we ladies
magic.
Know.
Yes,
exactly.
We designed the much more products and produced, and our quality is follow up Philips standard. Yeah,
that's great.
Yes,
that's great. Thank you.
And we did the much more desk lamp. It's suitable fit for students and the air care products. Yeah, air care. And yes, and for example, 14 minutes.
I see. Wow.
Reminder students need to have a rest. And yes, and another one, the butter is 13 seconds to delay switch off the light. Yeah. When the students need back to bed, and you can open this button 30
Time delay.
30 milliseconds, yes. And delete, switch off. This
that's a good
light.
reminder.
Yes,
Good night.
yes, good reminder. Yes, yes.
Thank
And
you.
we have much more. Yeah, and we have much more the Europe style, like this one. Yeah, Europe style. Yeah, and the wireless charger, and the USB charger. Yeah, and the 4-step dimmer switch and the 7-step dimmer switch. Lot of, yeah, different color and a different design. Yeah, we design it by ourselves. Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Yes.
Your designer is great.
That's this one. Yeah, our company. My boss is from Taiwan, so our company is Taiwanese factory. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
So much more.
Yeah. Thank you, Jane from Junsheng. Wow. A lot of desk lamp and the desk lights and the range of the wide range of applications, including the kids and including the European styles, and also like a makeup for ladies and the full range of applications. Thank you, Jane.
Thank you.
Jane,
Thank you,
you have
Jane.
done a very good job. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. See you next time. Have a good day.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Jane.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.